Hi friends, Tracy Bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. I'm here to let you know about a Christmas stamp camp that I have coming up. It's available now for registration and you are not going to want to miss out. I've teamed up with my wonderful friend Wendy Cranford from the US and we are doing 8 wonderful projects for our Christmas stamp camp. I'll tell you a little bit more about what's involved or what's in our stamp camp. It's pretty amazing and you're going to want to register. Registration does close on the 1st of November here in Australia. Wendy's closes a little bit later for her, so if you're in the US, highly recommend signing up with her because you'll get all the products for these classes. We are also offering an online only version, so if you just want the PDF and the videos, you can certainly sign up for that one as well. Alright, let's get to the craft table and I'll show you what is included in our stamp camp. So a quick little sneak peek at the all 8 projects here. I love these little graphics and the little sneak peeks. We're using 2 suites from the Mini Catalogue. We have the Kindest Gnomes bundle from the Storybook Gnomes suite, which these have both the dies and the stamp set. We're also using the Santa's Delivery bundle. This is from Santa Express suite. So you can find them both in the Mini Catalogue. Highly recommend having these stamps. They will help you put your all 8 projects together. And most people probably already have these already because these are 2 of the very best suites or bundles in that Mini Catalogue. So I'm sure a lot of people have both of these already. Okay, so you are going to need those. They are not included in stamp camp, but you can add them on to your stamp camp registration. So know that you can grab them there. What's included in your stamp camp will be 8 card kits or project kits that are all cut and ready to go. You will also receive a quarter pack of both the Storybook Gnomes DSP as well as the You'll also receive a quarter pack of both of those DSP packs, the Storybook Gnomes DSP as well as the Santa's Express DSP. These are quarter packs cut down into 6x6. You're getting, I think there's 12 in each. And these DSPs are absolutely gorgeous. So many wonderful designs and colours. I love all these. The Storybook Gnomes has great wintry gnome features, which are always super cute for Christmas. So you get both of those packs, a quarter pack of each. You're also going to receive a full roll of this Iridescent Trim. This is a gorgeous ribbon, has lots of shimmer and sparkle and shine. So you'll get a full roll of those. You'll also receive Adhesive Backed Stars. Now I've taken a few out, so you're getting a full pack, but these are wonderful. There are actually 100 in all, so these will embellish every card and project that you'll be creating. And we're also using the Santa Express Memories and More card making pack. So these come in a full pack. You'll have both chipboard pieces, stickers. There are 6x4 inch cards. There's a few of our vellum layovers, and then there's our 3x4 cards as well. So you're getting a ton in this pack, and these make the best cards. They're really easy to create, especially if you grab those Memory and More envelopes, note cards and envelopes. That makes light work. There's also going to be a special little gift in your pack. So it's more product, so which is really great. You're getting a ton of product in this class, as well as PDFs and video tutorials. There's also an additional little bonus inside because with these Memories and More cards, we've actually created a few extra cards for you to inspire you. So let me just bring in, I've got a few here. Let me bring in one. That's super cute. This one is so simple, but so cute. Look at that. We've got some of those chipboard embellishments added to one of the cards. I've also added a matting behind it, and we've used mint macaron as our card base. It's a very, very easy card, but I've got quite a few different samples there that will help inspire you to use your Memories and More card packs. You could also use these as memory keeping, so whether you do pocket pages or scrapbook pages, whatever you like. I'm also going to show you quickly one of my projects. This is one of the little projects. It opens up, it's like a pizza box, and we have chocolates inside. So a cute little project. I hope that you'll come and sign up. Like I said, in the description here, you can find the registration for both myself and for Wendy. So if you're in the US, please sign up under Wendy. If you're in Australia, please sign up under me. And if you live in the rest of the world and you'd still like to take part in this stamp camp, you can take the virtual only, which is also available there. So $85 here in Australia to get your kit. So card kits or project kits, all your stamp products, video tutorials and PDF. And registration closes 1st of November. I really hope that you'll join us for Christmas Stamp Camp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video here, or you can email me or message me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.